Here the question is A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st March 2016, A's capital and B's capital were rupees 30,000 and rupees 20,000 respectively, but C owed 5,000 to the firm. The liabilities were rupees 20,000. The assets of the firm realized rupees 50,000. Prepare realization account, partners capital accounts and bank account. The working notes. We have to first find out the assets and we have given the liabilities. Hence, we have to prepare in the working notes a memorandum balance sheet of A, B and C before dissolution. After preparing the format of a balance sheet, we have to start with A's capital rupees 30,000, B's capital 20,000, C's capital has a debit balance. Liability is rupees 20,000 and C's capital has a debit balance of rupees 5,000. Hence, it will be shown in the asset side. Now, the liability side totaling is rupees 70,000. Take it to the asset side and find out sundry assets balancing figure 65,000. Now, we can start with the dissolution, that is fair notes, realization account, two sundry assets 65,000, and in the liability side we have to write down by liabilities rupees 20,000. Now the assets realized by bank account, assets realized rupees 50,000, and we have to pay the liabilities in full even if nothing is told about that. To bank account liabilities paid 20,000. Then the totaling in the debit side is rupees 85,000, which is higher. Take it to the credit side and find out the gap, the difference 15,000. This is by capital accounts, loss and realization transferred in old ratio of A is to B is to C. The ratio is given to us is 5:3:2 in the first line. This 15,000 will be distributed. A will be getting rupees 15,000 multiplied by 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. That is equal to rupees 7,500, 4,500 and 3,000. The totaling is rupees 15,000. Then capital accounts, partners capital accounts A, B and C. Then by balance brought down for A and B will be rupees 30,000 and 20,000. To balance brought down for C, that is rupees 5,000. Then it is to realization account, realization loss, that is 7,500 for A, B rupees 4,500, C rupees 3,000. Now C is having higher balance in the debit side, that is rupees 8,000. Take it to the credit side and C will bring in for dissolution to make good his loss, that is rupees 8,000. And A and B will be paid rupees 30,000 is the totaling of credit side. Take it to the debit side and to bank account. The difference, A will be paid rupees 22,500, B will be paid rupees 15,500. Now, bank account, prepare the bank account. We don't have any bank balance. First one is to realization account, that is rupees 50,000 asset realized. Then by realization account, liabilities paid on realization, dissolution or realization 20,000. Then C will be bring in rupees 8,000 by check to the firm for dissolution or to make good his loss. To C's capital account rupees 8,000, and A and B will be finally paid by A's capital account rupees 22,500 and by B's capital account rupees 15,500. Both will be paid this much amount and the bank account will be total rupees 58,000 both the sides, and this is the final answer.